YouTube feels impossible. Most creators upload for years with nothing to show. But what if I told you getting 10, 20, even 50,000 subscribers is actually very simple? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to go from 0 to 50,000 subscribers in just over 1 year. And I did this while working full time. So I couldn't even give it the full time and effort that it needs. So if you have more time than me, you can actually take this system even further than I ever could. Now, this is my proof. This channel it's just over 50,000 subscribers. In the last 12 months, you can see it's got 40,000. But if you look at the graph at the very start, I really wasn't uploading at all. So this is 12 months, 40,000, but really it's like 50,000 subscribers in just about a year. And you can see almost 4 million views as well. This is the social proof that, yes, I have this channel, I know what I'm talking about, and I can actually help you out as well. So this is the channel, you can look it up, Farhan Ahmed Zia, it's just my name. Now, one thing to keep in mind, even with this 50,000 subscribers in 1 year, this isn't even posting every day. Like I said, I was working a full-time job. I didn't even give it that much effort, and sometimes I was just lazy. So if you look at my channel, I'm really uploading 1 to 2 videos a week. There are some months, I think 1.5 months, maybe even 2 months at a time, where I just didn't upload at all. At my peak, I would have uploaded 3 videos, but really I sat between the 1 to 2 video a week range. But even when I'm not uploading, the channel has momentum and gets views constantly, even on older videos. And I'm getting subscribers come in and money come in, even when I'm not uploading. Now, there are 2 things that matter the most in growing your channel. And forget what everyone says. People obsess over CTR, the click-through rate, the retention, the average viewer duration, all of these things. When you're starting out as well, you don't understand these things. You can try to grasp an understanding of it, but it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. 90% of YouTube boils down to your niche, and then the secondary thing is your idea. Now, the idea isn't just, let me think of the idea, it's also the title and thumbnail. I match them both together because they go hand in hand. So 90% of YouTube is the actual niche that you're in and the title, thumbnail, idea. That's what drives all of your views. And everything else, retention, this, that, yes, we can get to that. We can help your retention, your CTR, all of that. But as long as you understand your niche and what your actual idea and thumbnail, all of that is together, you're going to get views no matter what. It's impossible to have a good niche and a good idea thumbnail and you don't get views. Impossible, right? So the main thing is, as long as you get those things right, everything else is optimization. You know, get a better retention, get a better hook here, get rid of some fluff on my video. How can I keep some retention in this angle, make a better edit here? That's all secondary. As long as you get these 2 things, you're going to look solid. Now, your niche decides the ceiling. You want to pick a topic. Your niche decides the ceiling. You want to pick a topic with built-in curiosity and constant conversation. So my Islamic channel works because there's real demand and there's endless questions. So if you look here, there's almost 500,000 people searching just Islam. Now this is one word. Now, there's many other things, Quran, Islam, the Prophet, stories. So you're looking at millions of searches and people have questions all the time, especially with religion. There's debates, there's apologetics, polemics, Christianity versus Islam, debate, whatever it is, a question. So all these sorts of things make it an evergreen niche. So you want to pick a niche that's broad and that you can stand out in as well. Now, if your niche is way too narrow or unsearched, you're fighting an uphill battle. You want to pick a topic that people care about, you're good to go deep, and you can make videos on it endlessly. Now, hypothetically, if I were to make a channel about cockroaches, no matter how good the title, thumbnail, whatever it is, if it's purely about cockroaches, no one cares about it, it's not going to get views, right? Let's go next. So think of the idea, the title and thumbnail all as one big puzzle piece. So the idea is on the one hand, the title and thumbnail is on the other hand, they go together. The idea creates the curiosity, the title and the thumbnail captures it. So if I think of something, like in this example, I have a video proving Islam in 10 minutes. Now, this is actually a fantastic idea. And the thumbnail, the title and thumbnail, the thumbnail matches the idea perfectly in the title, right? The truth. So you're proving Islam, the truth. It's just very interesting. You want to click on that one. A weak package kills a great video. A strong package can make the video take off. So spend most of your time here. Again, 90%, in my opinion, if you break it down between retention and click-through rate or title thumbnail, 90% is the title thumbnail. That's the packaging. Because if you have the best retention in the world, but it's not a good title thumbnail idea, no one is going to click on the video. Whereas if you have garbage retention, but it is the greatest title thumbnail idea, you're still going to get views. People are going to click on it. So anyways, the point is that 90% of the retention can come as a secondary, but you need to get people to click. You need to create good ideas, and hopefully they can stay because it's a good idea that you can talk about. So this is the main thing you want to focus on, is to create curiosity to have people click. Now, let me just give you some contrast. On an old channel I made, I had 120 videos. You can see on the left here. It's only got 104,000 views and 824 subscribers. This is about 2 years of uploading, 120 videos, and I only got 850 subscribers. It was a gaming channel, funnily enough. Now, with the right niche, if you look on the right-hand side, in the less amount of time, in 1 year, you got 40,000 subscribers. In fact, the 820 subscribers is nothing. In 1 week alone, or about 5 days, I get 1,000 subscribers, 800 subscribers in 4 or 5 days. And this is without even uploading a video, right? I haven't uploaded a video in a few weeks, and I've already surpassed 120 videos and what I did in 2 years. It's still me. I'm the same creator. This is just what a different niche does, and understanding how to create good ideas. Now, I'm doing this while working full time. If you have more free time, you can be even better than me. Now, one of my best months was 10,000 subscribers. You can look here, it's just over 1 month, right? So it's about, I don't know, maybe 35 days, 10,000 subscribers. Now, I could have gone even further with this. Because I'm working, I don't have that much time, and sometimes I'm just lazy as well, so I'm not really uploading. You can forget 50,000 subscribers. That's what I'm saying. You can do 100,000 subscribers in 1 year. It's possible if you do push yourself. If you have the right niche, the right packaging, it's so doable. What do we have here? Okay, consistency beats perfection. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to keep posting. Keep posting again and again and again. You're going to get momentum. You're going to get people that follow you. You're going to know how to create better videos. You're going to have your own branding and style. Each upload will teach you something, what you resonate with, and you compound over small improvements. And those past videos will have people click on and get more videos, more views while you sleep as well. So being consistent beats being perfect every single time. In fact, you're going to get better only by uploading more, because you learn how to create videos. Now, if your channel is stuck or you're finally ready to start, apply these 2 things. Finding your niche, knowing what niche, and focusing on idea generation and titles, thumbnails. If you want personal help, I have a free 30-minute consultation and one-on-one coaching, which I can do, and I can help build your channel on a 30-day plan. I have the links in the description, and I'll see you there.